What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Man-Nyy Quinones. I am one of the IML master educators here at iMarkets Live. And today's video, we're going to show you the triple fire strategy in 5 minutes. This is one of the most profitable strategies, if not the most profitable strategy you will ever find for the Harmonic scanner anywhere inside our community or on YouTube. So I highly recommend that you guys check out this strategy, learn it, and learn it well, because you guys can be catching a lot of pips. Now, anytime that you market the strategy, guys, please feel free to hashtag triple fire strategy so we can really grow and brand this strategy, as we know a lot of people are winning. And also feel free to hashtag Harmonic scanner is Bay. I actually wrote that down wrong. How silly of me. Hashtag Harmonic scanner is Bay. Now, if you guys ever want to trade the triple fire strategy live with me in the market, you guys can simply come right here to IML TV, log in, click on English, go to Harmonic scanner, and simply find my banner, Man-Nyy Quinones. And as you see here, I am live in the Harmonic trade room Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. If you're an IML member, where I am throwing out daily triple fire chart markups along with my personal markups, so you guys can get all of my trade ideas right here on Pip Talk. All right. Don't be afraid to follow me as well on Facebook as Man-Nyy Quinones. Simply type in Man-Nyy Quinones. You can find me here and connect with me on Instagram as well at Chairman500. All right, I look forward to connecting with you guys. So again, thank you. Now let's get right into the triple fire strategy. Now, simply, very easy. All you guys want to do is come right over here to imlharmonicscanner.com. All righty, and what you want to do is, in the broker section, when you're coming over here, just look for some 15-minute scans. The triple fire strategy is going to be used on the 15-minute. Okay, you're going to do market execution at the entry, but we'll show you how to line up the triple fire, and you can take all of the trades right to TP1. Now, if you're good at trailing your trailing your orders, you can feel free to take it to TP2 or TP3 or higher, as long as you're trailing your stops in profit. But if you are brand new, just always set the parameters to take profit 1 and to your stop loss. That way you always have your TP and your stop loss on your trades. Now simply come here. In this example, we're going to use AUD, USD. All right, so once the Harmonic scanner gives you a fresh entry, and as you guys know, when you come here, the most recent scans are the newest scans. But in this example, we're going to simply use AU. All right. So what you're going to want to do is, in order to use the triple fire, you're going to have to use this exclusively on TradingView. Okay, so you're going to have to use it exclusively on TradingView. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is come here and just copy over, okay, just copy over the Harmonic scan over to TradingView. Okay, so you can see low, high, low, high, low down here, and then that's exactly what I did. I just simply copied it over. Low, high, low, high, low. So all I did was just copy the AU shark pattern right over to my TradingView. That way we can get to work. Okay, so once you copy the scan right over to your TradingView, okay, what you're going to do is you're going to need to line up 3 specific indicators. So let me come here. Remove all indicators. You're going to come right here. You're going to add 3 indicators, which is the MACD. Okay, so feel free to bring up the MACD. You also going to want to add the stochastics. Okay, and then you're also going to want to add this very last indicator, which is known as the blue sky indicator. Okay, now in case you're wondering why the charts are these different colors, it's because when the blue sky is giving us a buy confirmation, the background of the chart turns blue, and when it gives us a sell confirmation, the background of the chart turns red. You can feel free to change this in the settings. Now, if you want my exact parameters on my custom MACD setting, which we get from Christopher Terry, our CEO, our custom stochastic settings, which we did use from IML educator and Teacup creator, Lisaldo Tavares, who has the IML Go Cup app, which is a fantastic app. Okay, and if you guys want my blue sky and how to use it, okay, so now I'm just going to show you guys how to use the triple fire. Very simple. So there's three things that you want to do for the triple fire. The triple fire requires 3 confirmations. Okay, so let's write up the confirmations. Okay, so triple fire strategy. Confirmation 1, okay, you want MACD divergence. Triple fire 2, you want oversold, okay, or bought. Stochastics cross. And then confirmation 3, you simply want the blue sky entry point. Okay, and all you have to do is line up these 3 indicators on the harmonic scanner scan to get the entry. And guys, it is quite impressive. So let me show you guys how to do this. Okay, so just to make it easy, we're going to get a vertical line where we have the blue sky buy. We're going to line it up on the chart. We're going to line it up on the MACD, and we're going to line it up right here on the stochastics. And all you want to do is 3 simple confirmations. Confirmation 1, you want to make sure that your stochastics is oversold, and you want the signal to cross in an oversold market to push the market up. Confirmation 1. Confirmation 2 is you want to be able to spot divergence right here in the market. As you guys know, divergence always has to be present for a market reversal. So not difficult. You want to spot a low in the market. You want to spot a high in the market. And then you want to spot another low right here in the market, right where the entry is going to be, where we get that blue sky confirmation. Now, for those of you that don't know divergence, it's simply when price and oscillator is making a difference. So as this is coming lower, the oscillator is coming higher, or vice versa. And a cool little trick that I like to do is I simply like to highlight it. So I like negative, positive, negative charge right over here, and then this is our divergence. So as you guys see, the market was low, it was low, the market came high, it was high, and then it pulled back down and made a new low, and here goes the new low, but these low points were opposite. Okay, again, if you guys want to be able to learn the full strategy in detail on how to use divergence, check out the full strategy. Okay, so confirmation 1, oversold market of the stochastics crossing. You want to make sure that you're spotting divergence, and once you spot divergence, you simply want to make sure that the signal line breaks the histogram. And then confirmation 3, guys, is very simple. Confirmation 3 is right where the market is going to enter. Wherever the market is telling you to enter, you want to wait for the blue sky to give you the confirmation. That's going to be your last and final confirmation right there in the market. Okay, and once that blue sky gives you the go to jump into the trade, you now have, guys, your triple fire strategy. Guys, if you do this again and again and again, you guys will be able to make tons and tons and tons of profits. And here are a great amount of examples. We have NZD triple fire. We have AUD triple fire. We have AJ right here, triple fire. Here goes another one, EU triple fire for the long. We have we have GBP CAD. We have 2 triple fires. We had this first purple triple fire, and then we had a back-to-back yellow triple fire, which took off. We had GBP OID triple fire. We had GBP NZD. Okay, this was not a perfect triple fire, but it did allow us to take it to TP1. And then, you know, guys, so we're just doing this again and again and again and again. The triple fire strategy is a very easy strategy to learn. You're simply lining up the stochastics, spotting divergence, and then waiting for the blue sky to give you that signal. Guys, by doing this, you guys are going to be in massive, massive profits with AUD, USD. And if you guys start profiting on this, guys, please come to our IML Harmonic Scanner community. Throw up your charts in here. Hashtag triple fire strategy. Hashtag IML, hashtag, pardon me, Harmonic Scanner is Bay. Let's continue to grow this community. Let's stay in profits. Let's make some money.